Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the RUNMUS or RUNMUS gaming headphones. So let's open up this package here. So here is the gaming headset. Really awesome, looking nice. It has this little wheel thing to adjust the volume and stuff. And at the end here we have some adapters in case you want to connect to various different devices. So let's go try them out. So these are my old headphones that I used in every single video before here. So I'm going to listen to a random song to see how it sounds. Okay, I think I have a pretty good idea of how those ones sound, so let's try these new ones. I'm not sure how to get it to light up, so I'm going to mess around with it for a little bit. Now they are lighting up, guys. Can you see that? I finally got them to light up. Basically, it has to be plugged into a USB 3.0 slot or later. Hello, ladies. They sound great. The bass is super bassy. It doesn't sound distorted at all. It's kind of comfortable. The foam thing isn't that comfortable. And they don't really fit my really small head yet. Very good. Let's test out the microphone now. Alright guys, I think I have the microphone working, so let's test this. Okay, so now this is audio from this thing, and it's pretty good audio, and it's like a good microphone, so I guess I could use it in my videos sometime. So to review, I'd probably give this headset about a 7 out of 10 because the bass sounds really good, the lights are really cool, but the audio, like the microphone, is a bit janky and weird. But other than that, it's pretty good, and it does the job well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, you can go ahead and give a like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel, because we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you then. Bye!